Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and we're in TimeCraft,
which is an hour of code.
Yes. So we need to select the time split. Let's select this one, which is like a balloon with a car.
Hot air balloon that is tied to a car.
That's weird. Go to time pile.
Let's go.
Yay!
Get the brief.
Get brief.
Here's a time split where airplanes never took off.
What?
Literally. Now everyone is using balloons to travel, but that idea is just full of hot air.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah.
There are no airplanes. Now everyone's using balloons. That's kind of risky.
Yeah.
What if it pops?
Then it goes down. Travel to the United States during the early 19,000s and make sure the first flight ticks to the skies.
Okay,
Enter pod and
press
this
button.
button.
Press it. Ooh, time to 3, 2,
Look,
1.
it's a picture.
Oh, airstrip.
United States of America, 19,000.
1900s.
Okay.
Flight engineer, where did these holes in my runway come from?
Dun,
I'll
dun,
never
dun.
get enough speed to lift off now. If this flight fails, people will continue to mock me from their air balloons and will never fly like the bird. This flight engineer is trying to make airplanes, but the people that are using balloons mock him. So he's trying to prove that airplanes actually work. TARRA. Oh no, it looks like the flight engineer is about to give up. Let's fix this airstrip. Start your mission by using your talk device to call the time agent.
Okay.
Use the talk device.
Start activity.
Ooh, so the time agent is here. You can see hot air balloons. TARRA. Fantastic. Now that the time agent is in place, let's use code to repair the runway. There are holes in the runway. You can see right here.
There's holes here, and look.
And you can see balloons, hot air balloons.
Yeah. So we need to do this runaway, like fix it, and then airplanes will be back. So let's code.
Code. One of the first airplanes is about to take off, but there are holes in the runway. So if there are holes in the runway, it'll
You can't take off.
Yeah, because the road will be very bumpy. Code your agent to fill the holes with dirt blocks we've given it. Okay, so let's see where the hole is.
So there are several holes. Two here.
Two right in front of the agent. So let's fix these first.
Okay.
So first we need to move forward. Then we need to place down.
Repeat it 2 times. Down. Repeat
2 times.
Yeah. Not 4 times. 2.
So, the agent already has dirt blocks in his inventory.
Cool. So now we need to move forward 2 times
and then turn right.
Move right 2 times. So let's see. Let's just put this
forward by 1.
By 2. Just
by 1.
By 1, and then you
move up to sideways.
Yeah, move sideways. Agent move.
We don't need a repeat. We don't need a repeat loop.
Oh yeah. Move forward by 2 and move right by 2. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay.
Okay, now we need to do the exact same thing we did at the first time.
Now let's just move here and move. Repeat 2 times. Agent move 1 time and agent
place down.
Oopsies. Place down. Downy down down. Okay, agent go. Yay!
Yeah. Still 2 more holes, so it's the same path.
It's like repeated 3 times.
So you can do a whole larger program, but with more repeat loops.
Yeah.
Then you can do it 1 time.
Then do this.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, that was so fast.
Flight engineer. Now this is uplifting. That's a pun. The runway has been restored. Let's give this glider another try.
Sure, man.
Congratulations, time split repaired.
Yay!
Good job. You've repaired this moment in time. Thanks to your code, more than flight has been saved and people can again travel anywhere in the world in hours. Now flight is more faster. Scanning. It's scanning. Secret detected. Okay, let's see. Search area.
Oh, it's right there. I just saw it up here.
Press it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Secret.
It's right outside.
You found the secret room. Take note of which time agents you see here and head back to the institute. There is
Pixie and Yeti.
Let's end mission. Which
Time
one?
jumping
Pixie?
free. Pixie sus. No, Yeti. I'll just change it as
Are you
Yeti.
sure?
Yeti.
Yeti, okay.
Okay.
So now we're going to do other time splits in other videos.
Yeah.
Okay,
Whoa,
now
look at the picture.
There's a plane because
Yeah, well,
the planes got back. And
I think this is the engineer.
Yeah. So now the planes come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.